Building a 186.42 square feet tiny house on wheels requires careful planning and execution. Here are the important steps to guide you through the process. The first step is about planning and design. You have to define your needs, list essential like sleeping space, kitchen, bathroom, storage, and utilities, and sketch use software. And then check legal requirements. Ensure your design complies with local zoning laws, road regulation, and trailer size limits. And the second step is about choosing a trailer. Select the right trailer. Go for a dual axle or triple axle trailer rated for the total weight, size, and weight capacity. Ensure it can support at least 10,000 until 14,000 pounds. And flatbed versus gooseneck. Flatbeds are common, but goosenecks offer more stability and additional loft space. The third step is about framing and structural work. Use lightweight materials. Steel framing is lighter than wood but costs more. And then anchor the frame to the trailer. Secure the structure using strong bolts or welding. And install subfloor. Use waterproof materials like marine grade plywood. And the fourth step, it's about roofing and siding. Lightweight roofing, metal or PVC panels are ideal siding option. Wood, metal, or composite panels based on weight and aesthetics. And then for the fifth step, it's about insulation and waterproofing. Choose efficient insulation. Use spray foam, rigid foam board, or rock wool for energy efficiency. And then seal all gaps. Prevent air leaks with caulking and proper sealing. And the sixth step is about electrical and plumbing. Plan electrical layout. Decide on 12 volt DC solar or 110 volt AC grid. Install plumbing. Use PEX pipes for durability and flexibility, and consider a tankless water heater for space saving. And then water supply option include a fresh water tank or direct hookup. And then interior build out. Install walls and flooring. Use lightweight plywood, wood, or shiplap for walls and vinyl, laminate or engineering wood for floors. And then maximize incorporate multifunctional furniture like underbed storage and foldable tables. And then compact appliance. Use a mini fridge, induction cooktop, and composting toilet to save the space. And the eighth step is about off-grid system if needed. Solar panels and batteries ideal for remote living. And composting toilet, a great eco-friendly alternative. Then rainwater collection and filtration, useful for off-grid water supply. And for the ninth step is about final touches and inspection. Safety checks, you have to ensure electrical, plumbing, and structure are up to code. And then interior finishing, paint, lighting, and final decor touches. And then weight distribution check, balance the load evenly on the trailer. And then for the 10th step, it's about registration and road readiness. Okay, then you have to register as an RV or tiny home depending on local laws. And then towing test, ensure safe and stable towing before traveling. Okay, so you can follow this step. And this is about the illustration of the building frame of this tiny house.